Welcome to the online class, Class 6, Subject Science, Unit 1, Magnetism. In the previous session, we study about what is magnet and different shapes of magnets, then magnetic and non-magnetic materials, magnetic poles and finding directions with a magnet. Today, we are going to continue about the different properties of magnets. First, we are going to see about the magnetic compass. A compass is an instrument which is used to find directions. This is the magnetic compass. The compass has a magnetic needle that can rotate easily. The marked end of the needle is the north pole of the magnet. It is mostly used in ships and airplanes. As a rule, mountaineers also carry a compass with them so that they do not lose their way in unknown places. Now, let us see about the properties of magnets. Magnets have attraction or repulsion properties. Let us see that in detail. Now, take two similar magnets and place them in different manner like shown in the figure. First, you take the north pole of the magnet near the south pole of the previous magnet. So, they get attracted each other. Then, take that south pole and keep near the north pole, they also get attracted. Now in another way, let we keep south pole near the south pole, they both repel each other, and keep the north pole of the one magnet to the north pole of the another magnet, that is also get repel each other. So same poles repel each other, and unlike poles like north and south attract each other. As per the above activity, let we have the definition for properties of magnets. Unlike poles, south-north or north-south attract each other. Like poles, north-north or south-south repel each other. This is the properties of magnet. We can make our own magnets also. Now let us see how to make our own magnets. Now let us see about how to make magnets. Take a needle or a piece of iron or place it on a table. Now take a bar magnet and place one of its pole near one edge of the nail or a needle and rub from one end to another end without changing the direction of the pole of the magnet. Repeat the process for 30 to 40 times. And bring a pin or some iron fillings near your needle. If it is get attracted to that needle, it become a magnet. Otherwise, repeat the process for some more time and make your own magnet. Do magnets lose their properties? Let me see in what are the conditions that magnets lose their magnetic properties. Magnets lose their magnetic properties if they are heated or dropped from a height or hit with a hammer. So when you heat the magnet, it loses their magnetic property. When it dropped from a height, it lost their magnetic property. And when you hammer it, also it lost their magnetic property. So don't do that. Otherwise, the magnet will lose their magnetic properties. Magnets lose their magnetic property not only with the three conditions, when you keep it near the cell phone also, it loses their magnetic property. When you keep the magnet near your computer or near the DVDs, also magnet lose their magnetic properties. Let we have an activity of making our own magnetic compass with a magnet. Let me see the process of that. Take a magnetic needle that we did in our previous activity and insert a piece of cork or a leaf at the center of the needle and place it in a bowl of water. If you don't have the cloth, you can use two thermocol balls and insert the needle with the two thermocol balls, and you can place it in the bowl of water and check whether the floating needle is always turned in rest on north south direction. So this is the our magnetic needle, own magnetic needle that we can do in our home itself. Do this process and check your magnetic compass. Hope you all understand about the properties of magnet like attraction and repulsion property, and when the magnetic properties lost, and then how to make your own magnetic compass. Is it? And now it is time for our home fun. When do magnets lose their properties? Second question, do the activity of making magnetic compass. These two are the home fun for you. Hope you all enjoyed this session well. Let me meet with some interesting facts about the magnets with the next session. Thank you.